A state of miscarriage in which process has started and progressed to a stage from which continuation of pregnancy is not possible is known as A. Threatened abortion, B. Missed abortion, C. Inevitable abortion, D. Complete abortion. Please pause the video and comment your answer. To classify type of abortion, we can look at three parameters: fetal cardiac activity, cervical opening, and vaginal bleeding, and whether the product of conception have passed through the birth canal or not. Let's look at each one separately. First one is missed abortion. Missed abortion occur when the fetus die but remain inside the uterus. There is usually no bleeding or only slight brown discharge. The cervix remain closed and no fetal heartbeat is detected on ultrasound. Second one is threatened abortion. Threatened abortion means vaginal bleeding occur during early pregnancy. However, the cervix is still closed and the fetus is alive with cardiac activity. In many cases, pregnancy can still continue normally. Third one is inevitable miscarriage. Inevitable abortion occur when heavy bleeding and pain start. The cervix becomes dilated, meaning it opens. Because the cervix is open, the pregnancy cannot be saved, and there is no cardiac activity. Fourth one is incomplete miscarriage or abortion. In incomplete abortion, some pregnancy tissue is expelled out but some remain in the uterus. This causes continued bleeding and abdominal cramps. Medical treatment is often needed to remove the remaining tissue. The last one is complete miscarriage. Complete miscarriage or abortion happen when all product of conception are expelled from the uterus. Bleeding and pain gradually decrease, the cervix closes and the uterus become empty on ultrasound. Thank you and follow for more.